Hey guys, it's Lucy here. Welcome back to my channel. So I have this really exciting Japanese style recipe for you guys. Today, I'll be showing you how to make takoyaki and ebiyaki. Takoyaki is one of my favorite snacks in the world, and I got the chance to eat it when I was in Japan a few years back. And for those who don't know, I guess takoyaki is also an appetizer if you're eating in North America, but takoyaki is approximately this ball-sized dish that has stuffed octopus in it. And it's usually made in this flour batter, and you need a specific griddle to make it. I'll link everything that I'm using below so that you will be able to make this recipe at home for yourself too. And similarly, ebiyaki is pretty much the same thing, but ebiyaki is the Japanese word for shrimp. So instead of the octopus in the flour batter, you'll be putting shrimp in there. So that's enough talking for this intro, and let's get started straight into the recipe. Let's go.
To start, these are going to be all the ingredients that you're going to need. Now moving on to the batter. In mixing bowl, drop in your shrimp flour and salt, and add in your flour. Then mix these dry ingredients. Now slowly pour in a portion of your dashi. Make sure your dashi is cold, as this will help avoid developing the gluten and create a soft and light texture. Then mix in your ingredients again, and repeat this process until you have no more dashi left to add. And in the end, you should end up with something that looks like this. The batter should have a thicker consistency than water. Once everything is well incorporated, you can add in the soy sauce and egg. Then mix in until all your ingredients are well incorporated in the batter. Next, we'll move on to the griddle. So heat up your takoyaki griddle and oil your pan. Once the pan is heated, you can then pour the batter over the griddle. Don't worry about overflowing the griddle. Once you have poured in the batter, you can sprinkle up your chopped cabbage and carrots on top. Now you can drop in the chopped up octopus pieces in each hole. As you can see here, I'm doing 8 takoyaki and 8 ebiyakis. So with the 8 ebiyakis, you can do the same thing and drop in a little bit of the chopped up shrimps into the holes of the griddle. Now let it cook for a little bit. When you see the batter start to solidify around the holes on the griddle, it's time to start turning these balls with 2 bamboo sticks. And you can cut up the batter like this to make it easier for turning. So turn each pieces at a 90-degree angle and stuff in the straight edges as you are turning. Don't worry if you don't stuff all the veggie and batter inside the hole during your first turn, as you will keep repeating this process until each takoyaki and ebiyaki have a nice round edge. So these pieces will take a while to cook. Continue turning these balls, and each time as you turn, you can stuff more straight edges inside the hole to ensure a clean surface. You want to keep turning these balls at the 90-degree angle. You will repeat this for quite a few times, so each time as you turn, you can stuff any leftover batter or veggies inwards. Here's a helpful tip. The home takoyaki grill unfortunately does not distribute the heat as evenly, so to ensure all your pieces are evenly cooked, you can move the balls around to facilitate even more browning on all of the edges. Once you are done, transfer them onto a plate. And you can pour this amazing takoyaki sauce on top, and then pour the Japanese mayo over on top as well. And then sprinkle some beautiful dried seaweed here, some hot pepper, and finally some bonito flakes. All of these seasoning, you can add them to your own personal taste. If you like them more saucy, then just add more. These beautiful takoyaki and ebiyaki taste amazing when served immediately. Just be careful not to burn your tongue, even though you're tempted, as the batter inside is really, really, really hot. And there you have it, a simple takoyaki and ebiyaki recipe.
Now, didn't that takoyaki and ebiyaki look so delicious? That's my simple recipe for the takoyaki and ebiyaki, and I hope you guys really enjoy it, and let me know if you do try it out as well. I love if you guys support my channel by clicking on the subscribe button below and follow me on Instagram as well, and I can link it right over here. But again, thank you guys so much for watching. I upload videos every Sunday. I hope to see you guys next week. Bye.